In this video, you're going to learn how to use the online calculator to solve problems involving negative numbers. So how do we type a negative number into the online calculator? Well, let's say we wanted to type in the number negative 23. What we'll do is we'll come over here to this minus sign, which also serves as our negative sign, and we'll just type in negative 23. What if we wanted to type in negative 2.8? You would type in negative, by clicking that minus sign, 2.8. Okay? So let's go ahead and practice some problems. Let's do negative 4 plus negative 3. So again, if we want to type in a negative, we're going to go over here to our minus sign, and we're going to click negative 4, and then type in plus negative 3. And our answer is negative 7. And this makes sense, right? Because we're starting with a negative number and we're just adding more negatives to it. So it just becomes more negative. So negative 7. I want you to look over here on the left and look at these two different formats. So here, this negative sign is placed in the middle of the number right in front of it. This is the typical way that we see the negative sign written. However, this is not the only way that you could see the negative sign written. On some tests, you may also see the negative sign written towards the top, but still in front, but towards the top of the number. So even this right here still says negative 4 plus negative 3. I wanted to draw your attention to that so you're not confused if you were to see that on a test. Okay, so now let's try a problem on our own. I want you all to pause the video and solve this problem by yourself. Okay, you should have paused the video, so let's go ahead and solve it. This says negative 6 plus 11. So we're going to type in negative 6 plus 11, and we get 5 as our answer. Okay, so just keep in mind, if you ever want to type a negative or make a number negative using the online calculator, just hit this minus button, and that'll allow you to type your number in as a negative.